Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Pure Organic Farming. I am Farmer K, and today I'll take you on a tour of my pure organic farm. Okay, there we have some cucumbers, recently planted cucumbers, and as you can see, I have them on a trellis. There we go. Now I only invest in organic farming. I don't use chemical pesticide, insecticide, fungicide. Also, I don't use any chemical fertilizers. Everything I use are strictly organic. Here we have some sweet peppers. As you can see, looking very good. And also, they're organic sweet peppers. There we go. Peppers right there. Also, we have some freshly planted tomato seedlings. This is my tomato bed. Looking very good. And there we have some cabbage. These cabbage are recently transplanted, going 2 weeks now, and they're also doing very well. Okay. Here I have my Bok Choy, and I recently planted these Bok Choy. You can see, looking very lovely. I have some Scotch bonnet pepper right here, looking very good. As you can see, peppers are growing. Lovely peppers, lovely Scotch bonnet peppers. Okay, there I have my lettuce. Lettuce bed is right here. See the lettuce bed. Lovely lettuce bed. Also more sweet peppers. As you can see, I have more sweet peppers right here coming up. Very lovely. Also pumpkin. See my pumpkin farm. All organic. And there I have my tomatoes. More organic tomatoes. If you can look ahead, you also see some sweet peppers. Also my scallion farm, see, doing very well, and they're all organic. So please tune into my channel. Also remember to subscribe, and I'll show you more videos of my organic farm. Thank you.